What's going on? We hit the Louis the Boilerman here, guys. We're here in Mineola, New York. As you guys can see, we have a portable air conditioning. So the problem here was they called us and they told they have no cooling. We checked out the unit. The unit's from 1997. Compressor is shot. The unit is old. It needs to be replaced. So long story short, they're in the cahoots with the landlord trying to figure things out. But in the meantime, they need air conditioning. It's hot as fuck outside. So we put up a portable air conditioner. These are not just regular air conditioners. These are portables, but these are commercial grade portable ACs. We got three. We got one here. We got one over there. On that side, show them. You guys can see that duct that's going to that drop ceiling is going to that drop ceiling. All the heat from the room is going to the drop ceiling. So, and of course, there's a shortage on flex ducts. So this extra flex duct that I have, the outlet from the unit is 12 inches, and this is a 10-inch flex duct. So we got to improvise and make something happen because it is what it is. But guys, this is what I mean. This is what you have to do to help the customer, help them out, and get them out of a jam. I got this portable AC for just like reasons like this. It's an emergency, and just like that, we're able to help them. But guys, this is what it takes. So if you need Louis the Boilerman, you can always call Louis the Boilerman at 516-377-5200. Whip out.